Agrastrip allergen test kits are ready-to-use lateral flow devices that detect food allergens in food and environmental samples. In this instructional video, we will cover the contents of the test kit, how to use the test, and how to interpret results. Please keep in mind that this video is not a replacement for the package insert or other important product documentation. To ensure accurate results, please follow the package insert that came with your test kit. Agrastrip allergen test kits come complete with strips, antibody-coated incubation vials, extraction tubes, an extraction buffer, surface swabs, and additional accessories. Before we start, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. Agrastrip allergen kits do not require refrigerated storage. Make sure you clean the surface where you will work and the tools you will use. We recommend that you wear protective gloves and change them before each new stage of the test. Ready? The test works in just a few easy steps. Fill an extraction tube with extraction buffer up to the line you see here. Take a swab and moisten it by dipping it into the buffer. Swab an area of 5 by 5 centimeters using side-to-side movements, rotating the swab tip as you go. We recommend the crosshatch swabbing technique. Place the swab into the extraction tube. Carefully break off the end at the pre-scored point. Make sure to break the swab before it touches the bottom of the tube. Close the tube with a cap and shake vigorously by hand for 1 minute. Remove the cap from the extraction tube and replace it with a fresh dropper tip. The tip will click into place. Transfer 12 drops or 400 microliters to an incubation vial and close the lid. Shake the incubation vial vigorously by hand for 15 seconds, making sure that the liquid comes into contact with the lid of the vial. Place the vial on the vial rack and let it rest at room temperature for 5 minutes. With a fresh pair of gloves, remove one Agrastrip allergen test strip from its container without touching any other strips. Place the strip into the incubation vial with the sample pad downwards and incubate for 5 minutes in the vial rack. After a few seconds, you will begin to see liquid moving up the strip. Remove the test strip from the vial immediately after the 5-minute incubation and read the result without delay. Here's how to interpret results. In a negative result, only the control line appears in the results area of the test strip. In a positive result, both the control line and the test line will appear. This means that the sample contains the target allergen in a concentration higher than the LOD. If the control line does not appear, the result is invalid, regardless of whether the test line appears. In this case, we recommend repeating the test with a new strip. And that's it.